Hi friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super amazing, super crispy, and very unique recipe that's perfect for Ramadan snacks or anytime cravings. These spicy okra chips are so delicious that kids and adults both will love them. So if you enjoy easy and tasty recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon. Now let's get started. Ingredients: 0:20 to 1 o'clock. For this recipe, you will need ½ kg fresh okra, ladyfinger, 1 medium onion, finely sliced, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste, 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder, 3 to 4 pinches of cumin seeds, 5 to 6 tablespoons gram flour, besan, salt as per taste, oil for deep frying. Preparation: 1 to 2:10. First, wash the okra thoroughly and dry it completely. This step is very important to get crispy chips. Now cut the okra into long, thin slices, just like chips. Transfer them to a mixing bowl. Add sliced onion, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds, salt, and gram flour. Mix everything very well until the okra is nicely coated. No water needed, the onion moisture is enough. Frying: 210 to 320. Heat oil on medium flame. Once the oil is hot, add the okra in small batches. Fry until they turn golden brown and extra crispy. Keep stirring gently so they fry evenly. Remove and place them on paper towels to absorb excess oil. Outro: 3:20 to 4 o'clock. And wow! Our crispy spicy okra chips are ready. They are crunchy, spicy, and absolutely addictive. Perfect for iftar, tea time, or as a healthy snack alternative. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. See you in the next video.